We're back at it again with Luke Bagnardi, House of the Flying Disc, and today we are opening my fundraiser disc for Junior Worlds, and I want to give a big shout out to everybody that came out to my fundraiser and supported me on my GoFundMe page, and thank you. So let's get into it.
Alright, been waiting on these for a few days, but they're finally here. Oh cool, they sent a new flight chart too. Ooh. Alright.
Ooh, I want the pink one.
Oh wow, there's all kinds of goodies in here.
Ooh.
It's like a sea line P2. There's some of these in there, that's pretty cool. Oh wow, look at that orange egg. Oh, these are nice and nice.
Oh, these are so much.
Yes.
Flag stamp D-line P2s. Hey,
I'm all.
perfect. More, these are all P2s, yeah? Nice,
Yeah.
awesome. Thanks a lot to the guys at Discmania
Yes.
for hooking us up with these. I mean, they
Just
always
thanks
look
to
great.
Discmania in general.
Yeah, I mean, they didn't hook us up like we bought them, but like, thanks for making them look so nice.
They look awesome.
These are more S-line CD3s.
Yes, yes.
The swirly ones, there's a couple glow DDXs in here. That's pretty sweet. I think that's a DDX. No, I'm sorry, DD. Oh wait, no, these are regular C-line DD2s. I think there's a glow something or other. Let's see.
Yeah, these are C-line.
Yeah, D-line FD. This is a glow P2 right here. Flag stamp glow.
That looks really nice.
D-line, more D-line FDs. These are cool. What certain pros use for their big-time major roller shots. C-line CD3s. More C-line P2s.
I love the flag.
These are really cool. I think these are probably gonna
S-line P3Xs.
be big hits.
Dude, that's
Let myself or Anna know. Anna Chacon, Michael's mom.
Michael's mom.
Yeah. Or I'll probably keep a few of these here at
Yeah.
the shop to sell too. So S-line DB2s in here.
Wow.
Looks like
That box is so much better than the other
And
one.
then
Yeah,
we
yeah.
have some
There's all kinds.
There's-
D-line P3Xs.
Oh my
Oh,
goodness.
Nice gold stamp.
Nice.
Wow.
Ooh, PP2s. Wow.
I love the flag stamp.
Really nice. I like that. So yeah, get
Hit us
them while
up.
they're hot, folks.
Hit us
Y'all
up.
know how to get a hold of me.
And Luke knows how to get a hold of me.
So that way Michael can eat on his trip, roads and all that. You know, he can get there and.
Get back.
So yeah, this is pretty much the final push. It's coming up
Get us
this
there.
next month. So
3 weeks away.
right around the corner, yeah.
3 weeks away.
Anyway, thanks again everybody for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more disc golf videos. And yeah.
All right.